Morning ladies and gentlemen, Chris here, OZ Canopies and 4x4, your favourite four-wheel drive presenter is back again to grace your screens. Anyway, enough spruiking of me, let's talk about what's actually happening today on this Kia Tasman. We're becoming quite the Tasman experts. We've done heaps of them for private users and also dealers, but today, more importantly, we're going to go through the fitting process and the assembly process of an aluminium canopy to suit this Kia. Now, the steel canopy is going to be identical outside of just the material, of course. So if you have a look at this video, it's going to be very applicable if you've purchased a steel canopy as well. Other than that, we're going to get stuck right into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed that assembly and fit process of this aluminium canopy on this Kia Tasman. While we've got it, we'll go through some of the features. So as standard, they come with the rails on top, so if you wanted to add any kind of crossbars, you definitely can. These canopies are rated up to 300 kilograms. So 300 kilograms, that means you can do all kinds of things, man. You can get rooftop tents up there, you can get a whole bunch of material up there. Definitely a great product for all you guys out there who are looking to add a serious amount of weight on top of their tub. We'll go through and have a look on inside as well. So you've got the brake light there as well, very straightforward. On these ones, it's really not that necessary. Why? So the Tasman's already got the LED bar light at the back, but you know what? If anyone hits you from behind, they got no reason, right? You got 2 brake lights on the damn thing. So we'll have a look inside just to show you just how much space that you've got. At the moment, it is locked, but you can have a look. I'll just draw quickly attention to the brackets that actually go off the internal tie down points. That's how we can get that carrying capacity, and it means that you've got a nice clean finish without having to put any additional brackets on either side. Now, if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. We've got these steel and aluminium canopies. I should say aluminium and steel because this one's aluminium. Anyway, available for basically all the dual cab utes out there. We've got them for some of the extra cabs as well. Have a look online, like I said, ozcanopies.com.au. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline, and I'll see you guys on the next one.